Okay, we are recording, and currently we're going to go over procedure for handing out or signing leads. Now, the first thing that we do is sign on to the portal, and I'm actually going to close a tab, and we're going to actually sign on. So we hopefully you have the portal saved as a favorite in your login, and we sign in, log in, and the first thing that we're going to see on the home page is you have 12 leads waiting to be assigned to view, and assign them. Click here. We don't want to worry about the leads that haven't been viewed, and we don't worry about the B leads right now. So right now we're going to concern ourselves with the 12 leads waiting to be assigned. So we click here. Now, after this page has come up, the first thing that I do is I print this page. So I right click and I go ahead and print this page. Now, after I have done that, I also keep a running tally on a separate little piece of paper. I've scanned what I've printed off here, and this is a separate little piece of paper here, and this is the previous week's number of leads that were assigned totally. Now, over here, this is a current number of leads that are assigned for this week. That is incorrect for me. I actually only have 2. That 5 is from last week, but that's neither here nor there. So, but I keep this so that I know what I've done thus far in the week for the respective agents. Now, to assign the leads, then I'm going to minimize that. I then take the lead sheet, and we can see here, and they're in order from the third on up, and by time, 9 a.m. going later in the day, and then we go to the 8th of June here. So I take and I print this page off, and then to assign these leads, I'm going to minimize this. I go to the calendar page on Federal Financial, and then I want to go to the 3rd. If I click on the 3rd, it shows me what's going on, who has what up to that point. So I then take and take this page and assign who I want to have assigned where. Now, after I've done such, I write the name of the agent right next to the time. Okay, and then now we're actually going to go and assign the lead. So I'm going to minimize that again, and we're going to go back to our lead page here. Now, the first lead that we have to assign is Viadoc here, and that is again, you can print this page out, but that's going to go to Tom. So I'm going to click on that one. I'm going to click on that one, 3, and Tom's got 4 there that I'm going to assign to him. So we've got Viadoc, I have Kimball, I check the box, Ross, and Arubis. Ross and Arubis. And so I've clicked the boxes, assign, click that. Who do you want to assign the leads to? I want to assign them to Tom Madden. So I find Tom Madden. Now I have to make sure that I've got Tom Madden clicked. There it is. Okay, it's easy to hit somebody else. Critical that I check the box saying I want to email the leads to Tom. Unless I do this, Tom has no idea that those leads are assigned. So I hit next. Please wait, all done. Now, it's critical Look, you see the boxes are still blue. I hit OK. Now the boxes are yellow, which means they've been assigned. Now, to assign my next ones, I want to uncheck these boxes. It's easier to check them all, hit it again, uncheck them. So I click that box, they're all checked. Click it again, and they're unchecked. So now my next one is Rose. She's got Smith, and that's it. So assign. And we go here to Rose is Charlotte Tinsley. I want to email them. Next. All done. Okay. Uncheck, uncheck. Now, Keen, and I go from the bottom on up. That's Randy. That's 11. He also has Senior. He's got Days. And Heather there at the top. Why so many for Randy? Well, he's going to be out of town next week. So he's taken a few more. And quite frankly, he's the one that keeps the train rolling here. You know, he's got the highest close ratio. And he generates the most amount of leads earned. So I'd like to email him. Yes. Next. Hold on. Okay. I want to print those also. So I just hit print, and print, and those 4 will then be printed for me. Close that. Got to uncheck the boxes. Now, Berndelin is Deb, and so Deb has 1 assign. We want those to go to Deb Price. There we go. I want to email them to her. Hit next. All done. Hit OK. Now I can just uncheck the box. That's safe as well, but I want to make sure that they're, you know, not unchecked, or I'll end up double assigning. Jim has Burnett, so we're going to assign that. And we're going to go to Jim Nurberg. I want to email him. Next. Done. OK. Uncheck it. Gales is Kevin, so assign. And Kevin Anderson is who we're looking for. There he is. I want to email him. Hit next. All done. OK. Okay, so now we're done. With that, now I have printed this, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now, I then take my lead sheet, and I have 12, and I want to add, and I do it in boxes. Okay, and then the next day I'll do it in a circle. I've got 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Well, they're all accounted for, and that way I know that I've signed the proper amount and they've been allotted for. So I keep a running tally of each agent. Tom's now had 5 for the week. It's Tuesday. He had 7 last week. Deb has had 3. She had 5 last week. You know, Judd, Marvin, and Ray have not had any yet, and so I'd like to get them some leads. This is going to be a kind of a slim week because of the holiday. So we'll have to see, you know, what pans out. But in any case, that is the procedure that I use in assigning leads. Going to minimize that. If we hit refresh now, these are all going to disappear because they've been assigned. So we hit refresh, and hit the home page. I have no leads to assign. So there you have it. That is how we assign the leads.